Hello kids, let's learn use of we, they, am, are. Welcome to Manushri and Mallar tutorial. We is used when I am part of the group. They is used when I am not a part of the group. Let's understand with examples. Use of we. We are Indians.
We are Indians.
We are soldiers.
We are soldiers.
We are going to the market.
We are going to the market.
We are drawing.
We are drawing.
We are friends.
We are friends.
Examples of they. They are classmates.
They are classmates.
They are dancers.
They are dancers.
They are helpers.
They are helpers.
They are animals.
They are animals.
They are siblings.
They are siblings.
Use of am. I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am calling my friend.
I am calling my friend.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am playing.
I am playing.
Use of are. They are playing.
They are playing.
They are eating.
They are eating.
They are running.
They are running.
They are reading.
They are reading.
Hello kids, let's learn in, on, under and near. Prepositions. Prepositions are used to show the location or position of an object. Let's understand with examples. Use of in. The boy is in the box.
The boy is in the box.
I saw the frog in the pond.
I saw the frog in the pond.
The dog is in the kennel.
The dog is in the kennel.
The ice cream is in the fridge.
The ice cream is in the fridge.
The water bottle is in the bag.
The water bottle is in the bag.
Use of on. The boy is on the ball.
The boy is on the ball.
A cat is on the mat.
A cat is on the mat.
A man is on the car.
A man is on the car.
She is sitting on the sofa.
She is sitting on the sofa.
The dog is sleeping on the bed.
The dog is sleeping on the bed.
Use of under. The boy is under the table.
The boy is under the table.
The shoes are kept under the table.
The shoes are kept under the table.
We slept under the blanket.
We slept under the blanket.
A ball is under the table.
The ball is under the table.
I am sitting under the tree.
I am sitting under the tree.
Use of near. The boy is near the ball.
The boy is near the ball.
The car is near the house.
The car is near the house.
The cat is near the ball.
The cat is near the ball.
The book is near the pen.
The book is near the pen.
The elephant is near the lake.
The elephant is near the lake. Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.